There's a simple bottle that costs only a few dollars, sitting in millions of homes around the world, and it has been used for generations as a powerful household tool. Not a luxury product, not an expensive chemical cleaner, just a simple solution that many people already have under their kitchen sink or inside their medicine cabinet. It is called hydrogen peroxide. For decades, people have used this bubbling liquid for cleaning, disinfecting, and solving everyday household problems. But what many homeowners never realized is that the same basic chemistry behind this ordinary bottle can also help manage some of the most annoying problems inside a home, including unwanted insects, dirty surfaces, and areas where pests like to hide. And today, we are uncovering 20 practical ways people have used hydrogen peroxide around the house, why this old-fashioned solution became so popular, and the science behind why something so simple can still be useful in a modern world. But the story of hydrogen peroxide does not begin in a supermarket aisle. It begins more than 200 years ago. In 1818, French chemist Louis Jacques Thénard discovered hydrogen peroxide while studying chemical reactions involving barium compounds and acids. At the time, nobody knew this clear liquid would eventually become one of the most recognizable household chemicals in history. The strange thing about hydrogen peroxide was its instability. Unlike ordinary water, hydrogen peroxide contains an extra oxygen atom. That extra oxygen makes it reactive. When it breaks down, it releases oxygen molecules, creating the familiar bubbles people see when it touches certain materials. That reaction became the reason it found so many uses. Ancient civilizations did not have hydrogen peroxide itself, but they understood something similar. Oxygen, cleanliness, and natural chemical reactions could change the environment around them. The Romans used mixtures containing natural minerals and acidic substances to clean surfaces, tools, and living spaces. Farmers throughout history discovered that certain natural compounds could discourage unwanted organisms from spreading near food storage areas. Centuries later, as chemistry developed, scientists began isolating and understanding these reactions, instead of relying only on tradition. By the late 1800s and early 1900s, hydrogen peroxide became widely studied and used in medical, industrial, and household applications. Laboratories around the world explored how controlled oxidation could break down organic material. The principle was simple. Some things survive because they have a stable environment. Change that environment, and you make it harder for them to thrive. Think of it like sunlight entering a dark room. The room does not fight the light. The light changes the conditions. That is the basic idea behind oxidation. And this is why hydrogen peroxide became interesting for home use. A clean surface is not just about appearance. Tiny particles, food residue, moisture, and hidden organic material can create the perfect conditions for unwanted visitors. Ants follow trails. Cockroaches search for food and moisture. Mice look for safe, hidden spaces with easy access to resources. The solution is not always about one magic ingredient. Sometimes it is about understanding the environment. That is why many traditional households focused on prevention, keeping surfaces clean, removing attractants, and using simple methods before reaching for expensive products. Because before there were shelves full of specialized sprays, there were people who relied on basic knowledge, observation, and inexpensive materials. A bottle that cost pennies compared to modern pest control products. A method that could be repeated without spending hundreds of dollars. And that is exactly why simple household chemistry has remained popular. Because every home has the same problems: crumbs, moisture, hidden corners, places where insects appear before anyone notices. The modern world created thousands of products designed for each individual problem. One bottle for the kitchen, another for the bathroom, another for stains, another for odors. But many older approaches focused on understanding the material itself. What does it do? Why does it react? How can it be used correctly? That mindset is what we are exploring today. Because sometimes the most useful tools are not the newest inventions. Sometimes they are the forgotten ones, sitting quietly in plain sight. And when people started realizing how versatile simple household chemicals could be, the industry noticed. For years, people have looked for faster, stronger, and more expensive solutions to everyday household problems. Walk through any supermarket aisle and you will see hundreds of products promising a specialized answer. One bottle for kitchen bacteria, another for bathroom stains, another for odors, another for insects. Each one has its own label, its own marketing, and its own price. But the basic science behind many household cleaners often comes down to a few simple principles. Remove food sources, reduce moisture, clean hidden areas, and change the environment where unwanted organisms survive. That is where hydrogen peroxide became interesting. Not because it is a magic solution, but because of chemistry. Hydrogen peroxide works through oxidation. Imagine a tiny chemical cleanup crew releasing oxygen molecules when it breaks down. Those oxygen molecules interact with organic materials and help break them apart. This is why hydrogen peroxide can be useful for cleaning certain surfaces, reducing odors, and removing some types of stains. The same reason it reacts with dirt and organic material is why people started experimenting with it in different areas of the home. Think about every hidden place in a house. behind appliances, inside corners, around sinks, near food storage. These are the areas where small problems often begin. A few crumbs become an invitation, a little moisture becomes a resource, a tiny opening becomes a pathway. And before you notice anything, a problem has already developed. That is why older generations focused heavily on prevention. They did not wait until the problem became impossible. They cleaned early, they sealed gaps, they stored food carefully, they paid attention to small changes. Hydrogen peroxide became one more tool in that approach. But there's another reason simple solutions became forgotten. Convenience. Modern life rewards speed. People want a product that says, spray here, wait 10 seconds, problem solved. And sometimes those products are useful. But the trade-off is that people slowly lose knowledge about the materials around them. A century ago, many families knew how to make basic household solutions, preserve food, repair tools, and maintain their homes using simple resources. Today, many people recognize a brand name faster than they recognize an ingredient, and that change created an opportunity for expensive products to dominate the market. The interesting part is that hydrogen peroxide itself is not rare. It is produced globally for many industries, including cleaning, manufacturing, and water treatment. The difference is often not the ingredient. The difference is packaging, convenience, and marketing. A simple bottle can become a specialized product when it is placed behind a different label, but understanding the ingredient gives people more control. That does not mean every online secret trick works exactly as promised. Real knowledge comes from understanding what a substance can actually do. Hydrogen peroxide has limits. It does not replace professional pest control in severe infestations. It does not eliminate every pest problem by itself, but when combined with proper cleaning habits and prevention methods, it can become a useful part of a household routine. And this is where the science becomes practical. The bubbles people see are not just a visual effect. They are a sign of chemical activity. The extra oxygen atom in hydrogen peroxide makes it less stable than ordinary water, which is why it slowly breaks down over time. Light, heat, and contamination can speed up that process. That is why proper storage matters. A dark container, a cool location, a sealed bottle, small details make a difference. If you have watched this far, you already understand something many people overlook. The most powerful household knowledge is not always about buying more products. Sometimes it is about understanding the products you already have. Because once you understand the science, you stop seeing a simple bottle as just a bottle. You start seeing chemistry, you start seeing possibilities. And that is exactly why old-fashioned methods continue to come back. Not because the past was perfect, but because people in the past learned to do more with less. In the next section, we will look at practical ways people use hydrogen peroxide around the home, the correct methods, and why small changes in daily habits can make a bigger difference than most people expect. Here's exactly how people use hydrogen peroxide in everyday situations. And the interesting part is that many of these methods are built around one simple idea. A cleaner environment creates fewer opportunities for problems to grow. The first step is choosing the right type. Most household hydrogen peroxide sold in stores as a low concentration solution, commonly around 3%. This is the type many people keep at home for general household purposes. Always read the label first. More is not always better. The power of a chemical comes from using the correct amount in the correct situation. For cleaning surfaces, many people use hydrogen peroxide by applying it directly to the area they want to clean, allowing it to sit briefly, and then wiping the surface. The reason this works is simple. The solution has time to interact with organic material before being removed. Think about a kitchen counter. A surface may look clean, but tiny amounts of food residue can remain behind. Those small traces can attract unwanted visitors. A consistent cleaning routine removes what pests are searching for. The second method is targeting hidden areas, corners, cracks, spaces behind appliances, places where crumbs and moisture collect. These areas are often ignored because they are not visible during normal cleaning. But insects do not care how a room looks. They care whether the environment provides food, water, and shelter. That is why prevention is usually more powerful than reacting after a problem appears. Another common use is helping remove odors. Many bad smells come from organic particles left behind. By breaking down some of those compounds, hydrogen peroxide can help freshen certain areas. Again, the science comes back to oxidation. The same basic reaction that creates bubbles is the reason it can interact with certain materials. People also use hydrogen peroxide as part of a general home maintenance routine. Cleaning tools, refreshing certain surfaces, removing buildup, keeping storage areas cleaner. The goal is not creating a miracle formula. The goal is reducing the conditions that allow problems to continue. For ants specifically, the biggest lesson is understanding their behavior. Ants are not randomly appearing. They are following opportunities. A food source, a scent trail, a small opening. Removing those factors matters. For cockroaches, the same principle applies. They are attracted to hidden moisture and food sources. A cleaner environment combined with sealing entry points is usually the foundation of control. And with mice, the biggest factor is access. No cleaning product replaces removing entry points, protecting food, and reducing hiding spaces. The smartest approach is always prevention first. Simple, consistent, effective. A homeowner in rural areas might not have access to expensive solutions every time a small problem appears. That is why low-cost methods remain valuable. Not because they are mysterious, because they are practical. For generations, people repaired, cleaned, and maintained their homes with what they already had. They understood materials, they understood their environment, they paid attention. And that knowledge is still useful today. The total investment? A basic bottle of hydrogen peroxide often costs only a few dollars, a few minutes of time, and a better understanding of how your home works. Compare that with constantly buying new specialized products every time a small problem appears. The biggest savings are not always in the bottle, they are in the knowledge. Because once you understand why something works, you are no longer dependent on a product advertisement telling you what to buy next. You can make better decisions. You can recognize problems earlier. You can use simple tools more intelligently. That is the real lesson behind forgotten household knowledge. People in the past did not have unlimited choices. They had observation. They had experience. They had the ability to make simple things useful. And today, that mindset is returning. Not because old methods are automatically better, but because understanding the basics gives people more control. A small bottle, a simple chemical reaction, a piece of knowledge passed from one generation to another. Sometimes the most useful solutions are not hidden in a factory. They are already sitting in your home, waiting to be understood. Because chemistry does not care about expensive packaging, and practical knowledge has never needed a fancy label. If you want more forgotten methods, traditional solutions, and simple science explained clearly, subscribe and stay connected. The next discovery might be another everyday item that people overlooked for decades.